Let's play!
Can you guess what red and yellow make? Let's pour.
Red plus yellow makes...
Arrange! Awesome! What happens when we mix blue and yellow? Let's mix them. Blue plus yellow turns into green. Wow, magic! What color do red and blue make together? Time to pour.
Red plus blue creates...
Purple, super job. What color do red and white make? Let's see.
Red plus white becomes...
Pink, so pretty. Can you guess what blue and white make? Here we go.
Blue plus white turns into...
Light blue! You did it! What happens when we mix green and yellow? Let's pour.
Green plus yellow makes...
Lime green! So bright! What color do black and white make together? Time to pour.
Black plus white creates...
Great! Super job!